Hello, my art viewers. So, we are back with a special series known as Milk and Mocha. I hope everyone know Milk and Mocha. So, those two little cute teddy bears, I love them. So, this is artist Bhavna here. So, bringing you this special tutorial. So, we'll see the real time video of Milk and Mocha holding umbrella. So those are cute couple and we are drawing it. So this illustration is done by me, and you'll see the complete real time video, and you'll also see how to highlight these two couple. So yeah, we'll start now. We already started, and first we are drawing umbrella. So if you have anything like umbrella and any properties like holding properties, so first you can draw those properties, and then you can easily know where these two or any other art should be located. So directions and location will be easily known when you draw the major property on its or when they are holding. So now we are drawing umbrella, so they are holding umbrella. So when you draw umbrella, your job will be easy and you can directly locate Milk and Mocha under the umbrella. So this is an easy process. So here I'm not only teaching the exact outline and all, but I'm saying things you can start and things you can learn from it. Okay, so from where to start and how to start, no one will teach, but I want to teach. So I took privilege to teach you people. So learn from basics and explore to real time and realistic artwork. Okay, so you can learn everything from this real time tutorials. So please do support me, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, especially tap the bell icon and don't miss any updates. So here I am thinking creatively and bringing few tutorials. Okay, I hope you'll understand. So here I'm marking in and I'm darkening it, and I don't want to waste any time, and I'm just skipping the unwanted process and I'm focusing on the important areas. So important areas will be definitely covered in this tutorial, whereas unwanted and unnecessary things will be eliminated. So if you are interested, you can grab this opportunity and you can also draw the same Milk and Mocha and send it to me. I'll feel great. Okay, so first we are drawing Milk. So this cute little girl Milk, will see. So first to draw Milk, you will just draw a circle and then we'll look at the things. So it is not a perfect circle, don't use any other tools and all to draw the circle, just freehand circle, and it is little bit oval shape, not perfect circle. Okay, and we'll look at ears and then we'll go on. So an unwanted outline will be removed later. So first you draw an oval circle and then we'll see. So this unwanted lines near ears and nose and all will remove later. So don't worry about it, we'll see step by step. Here it will have little bit bulgy effect near her mouth, and that bulgy effect we need to create it. So you can see the little tilt and little bulgy effect, and it is because she is having a cute smile on its face. So it is having a cute smile, so that smile created a bulgy look near her mouth. So that is illustration, and that you need to know. Okay, so before taking up any drawing, you just observe the expression and just observe the eyes and all. So observation will really improve your drawing, and once you draw outline, again do observe it and do the necessary changes and then proceed. So this is your process throughout your life if you want to become a great artist, not an artist but great artist. I hope these tips will really help you and enhance your skills. As I promised, I'll enhance your skills. So don't worry about it because it is my responsibility to do that. And just go with process and go with flow and just practice with me. So you can practice these same artwork for 2 to 3 days if you are beginner, and if you are little bit advanced one, you can just do the other experiments. Okay, so we are drawing her little tiny legs. You can see how her legs is, they are cute. So her body is totally cute, and I love these both personally because you know Milk and Mocha series are the best couple, and they are really queen and king of expressions. So those little eyes, nose and mouth and that smile really will change our mood. So if you know Milk and Mocha, please do comment below and let me know if you are fans of them. So this a tiny nose here will give just a drop, and her smile. So she'll always be smiling. Sometimes she'll be angry also, but Mocha is not like that. Mocha will always irritate Milk. So we know that these both are really made for each other couple. Yeah, these are the talks about Milk and Mocha. And Mocha will do always funny things, and Milk will always smile and she'll get angry, and again they both will come together. So this is a little story about Milk and Mocha. If you don't know, please do search Milk and Mocha on Google or Pinterest or somewhere else, but you'll find the images and cute little couple. They'll always attract you, inspire you, and they really bring smile on your face, and they'll change your mood. And now the little Mocha we are drawing the same shape, the little oval shape, but Mocha is turning towards Milk. So Milk is looking into Mocha eyes. So that thing you need to illustrate, and you need to turn Mocha's face towards Milk face. So that's why I did Milk face, so that the Mocha face will be easy and you can look at eyes and mouth easily. So I hope I am illustrating properly and you can draw easily with me. So I'm just keeping real time video, and I'm using eraser 2 or 3 double lines to make the outline because it should inspire you, and I'm not editing anything, I'm just providing video so that you can also do with me. And if you are a beginner, you'll really do with me and it will really help you. So do pause this video and do step by step. So here we are locating eyes. You can draw a line opposite to Milk eyes and you can directly draw there. So this is easy technique of locating eyes. So eyes should be in the same line. So you can draw using scale, but don't draw it too hard because it will be really difficult to erase. So this is those eyes, pretty eyes, those are really looking cute. So once you are done and once you enjoyed the outline, so we'll enhance this. So enhancing process, I don't want to keep the real time because some may love enhancing but some may prefer this just little outlines. So according to me, outlines are not enough. You need to give few spicy effects. So the spicy effects will definitely add value to your artwork. So here we are changing few things and adding few things. So this is part of artwork you should do, and here we are erasing the unwanted outline. As I told in the starting of video, I'll erase unwanted outline later. So this is the tool I used, Tombow Mono Zero Eraser. If you don't have that, so as you're beginner, you may not have. If you don't have, don't worry. So once you get confidence on your artwork, you can purchase everything. But in the beginning, do use the basic tools. So don't go for advanced tools. And this is what Tombow Mono Zero Eraser. So you can get in Amazon. So you can. And yeah, few corrections you can make it in this way, and you need to darken it so that your both cute little Milk and Mocha will look more cute. So here we are placing umbrella handle between them. So you need to see here how to attach it, so mark it properly or else it will look really weird. So in this way we are giving handle. So most of Milk is holding and Mocha is also holding, so both hands you need to mix it in this way, exactly in this way. So our handle is looking perfect, and Mocha will give this tiny little ear, okay, and then I'll darken it up. So let me keep a time lapse video of enhancing things. So if you are interested to enhance, so please do enhance and do watch it completely. So I'm just speed upping the process. You can see the outline is done using Artline pencil. So this is 10B grade pencil, and her mouth and all we are doing, and the shadows we are creating using 10B pencil only. So this music symbols, the Milk is singing song and Mocha is listening. So this all you can create and you can enhance your artwork. Those will look really perfect when you add this extraordinary enhancement. I hope you'll also add. If you like it, I hope you like it. And these are the really must things, because these will really give the realistic look. The shadows beneath is hands, near tummy, and all you need to create, okay. And here also I'll give the highlighting region, okay. I'll choose this leg and I'm creating for Milk also. So these few enhancements are really very appreciated, so you can do this. So the shadows and little fingers and all you need to do, so in that way your artwork will look completed. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. This cute little Milk and Mocha are here, and little bit I added for Mocha because the skin texture, because Mocha will be dark than the Milk. So these are perfectly alright, and bye.